Hi folks, Frank from Lloyd's Auctions, introducing Lot 7 from the Apex collection. It is the Range Rover SV fully spec'd model, long wheelbase. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. This is not simply another Range Rover SV. This is one of the most extravagantly specified SV long wheelbase models ever delivered in Australia, a factory-built statement of ultimate luxury that commanded over $500,000 when new. Commissioned through Land Rover Australia with virtually every conceivable SV option ticked, powered by the silky yet ferocious 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8 producing 452 kilowatts and 750 newton metres of torque, it combines supercar acceleration with the legendary Range Rover Waft, all underpinned by adaptive air suspension and terrain response too. With just 13,101 kilometres from new and full Land Rover service history, this remains one of the lowest kilometre, highest specified SV long wheelbase examples in the country, effectively still in as delivered condition. So there we have it folks, there's just another one of these special supercars in the Apex collection. Thursday the 11th of December, 10 AM Queensland time. Jump on at lloydsauctions.com.au, I will see you there.